Tashi Dalek. I'm Bay Fang, President of Radio Free Asia. I would like to take this moment to wish you, our audience in Tibetan communities all over the world, a happy, healthy, and prosperous Losar from all of us at RFA. This is the 24th year since the inception of Radio Free Asia's Tibetan service. Over all these years, we've brought you abundant news and information about the situation inside Tibet. News such as the large-scale destruction of the Yachengar Buddhist Institute, mandatory political re-education for Tibetan monks and nuns, the detention and arrest of Tibetans calling for Tibetan independence, and much more. We've also covered major events and teachings of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and other news and information regarding Tibetans in exile. We are able to cover these stories because of you. It's your leads, your photos and videos, and your active engagement that enable us to report on the news so important to Tibetans. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for being part of RFA's family, and I am confident you will continue to be an active part of it. From our studios, we will constantly strive to be your #1 source for news and information about Tibet and Tibetan culture. Once again, Losar Tashi Dalek.